I got a 2003 Mustang GT. I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter. This process should be the same from 94 to 2004. The filter's in the same location, but I think 98 to 2004 use the exact same filter, but the earlier models use a different filter, but it's still the same process. The first thing you want to do is come up here to your fuse box under the hood, and you're going to remove, I'll get this light stay. First thing you're going to do is remove the mini fuse 14. You're going to take it out and then go back in and start the car, let it run until it dies, and then crank it a couple more times until it stops starting, and that'll get rid of all your fuel pressure. And once that's done, you're going to come back here to where the fuel filter is at. It's under the rear of the car, right in front of the fuel tank. You will have to jack it up. And your fuel filter is located right behind the tank, right in front of the differential. Right there. I'm going to start by taking this clamp off, sliding it off out of the way, and then remove your two quick connect lines. You will need a fuel line remover for that, and I believe this size is a 5/16. You could use one like this, or you could use one like this. Either one will work as long as you can get in there. And the first thing I'm going to do is loosen up this clamp. Slide it over out of the way. And then you need to remove your little locks, retainers, whatever they're called. Pop them off. And then get your fuel line removal tool. Push it in there. Now, sometimes these could be a little tricky to get off, especially if I've been on there a long time. But it helps to push in on your line while you're pushing the tool in. And once you get it pushed in, slide back on your line, pull it straight back. I have something handy to catch the gas in. We got some absorbent pads or drain pan, either one would work. But there shouldn't really be no pressure on it. But you still will have fuel in the lines and in your filter. Now we got that side loose, pull it all the way off. Remove your tool. Then we're gonna come over here to this side. Do the same thing. Slide it on. We'll slide it on. Push in on it until it bottoms out. And pull your line straight back. And just grab your filter, pull it straight out. And watch gas go everywhere. Now the filter I'm using is the K&N PF 2000. This is supposed to work on 98 to 04. Then here's all your part numbers for your other filters that'll also interchange and work. Now grab your new filter, look at the arrows, see which way it flows. Always put the flow away from the tank. I'll pop it in place. Take your line. Push it on until you hear it click. Put your lock back on. Slide it back. Now you're gonna do the other side. Same thing. Push it on till you hear it click. Then install the lock. Just like that. I'm gonna tighten the clamp back up. And once you get your fuel filter installed, take your fuse, put it back where it goes. Pop the cover back on. Now we're going to cycle the keys a couple of times. That should be good. We're going to check for leaks. And we are good to go. No leaks. And that right there is how you install a fuel filter on a 94 to 2004 Mustang GT, V6, Cobra. They're all the same. Now, just let the car off jack stands and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.